Fire signs, mid-February. We're starting with Aries. Faith and gossip, Aries. It's going to be important for you to keep a strong faith. People might be gossiping about you. Hearsay, you might be feeling like you cannot please everyone. You might be trying your best and all of these things, Aries. So you're just gonna keep the faith. Keep a very strong faith. That's the energy. Leo, mid-February oracle card. Leo, you're going to be okay. Take it easy on yourself with this rejection card. Something that seemed like a slip up, something faltered. I just feel like don't worry about it. Let's see. Let's take another card. Leo, mid-February, ancestors. Workaholic. Yeah, you felt like things weren't going your way. Like you felt like there was a mishap. Okay, but I'm feeling like you shouldn't worry about what you feel like you cannot control or what you feel like has slipped up. Okay, it's giving you something will work out. Just try not to worry about that slip up. Okay, maybe you feel like it's already gone out there, you cannot get it back, or you're wondering if you're to fix something or not. Maybe some things you cannot change right now, Leo. So just take it easy and hope for the best. That's what I am getting, Leo. Okay. Sagittarius, mid-February. Prayer. Prayer is saying everything is going to be okay, Sagittarius. Some type of comfort to your heart. Maybe you need to comfort a parent of yours, Sagittarius. A family member of yours might need some reassurance at this time. So something that it could have been worrisome, like some type of worry on your heart space. I feel like it's going to be sealed or taken care of, Sagittarius. Okay, so take it easy out there.